Everyone loves a comeback story, and this one might be the biggest in tech. After losing over 60% of its value since early 2024, AMD seemed out of the race against Nvidia, which dominated the AI chip world with its servers, software, and profits. But then, something unexpected happened. Since April 2025, AMD stock has surged back to life, matching Nvidia's gains and even outperforming it at times. So what changed? What's driving this stunning reversal? Today, we're diving deep into AMD's strategy, its new AI chips, and why some analysts believe it could actually outperform Nvidia by 2030. To understand this comeback, let's rewind. When the AI boom exploded after ChatGPT, both AMD and Nvidia raced to power it. Nvidia's GPUs significantly outperformed AMD's, and its CUDA software ecosystem became the industry standard, locking in dominance. AMD, meanwhile, was left playing catch-up. Its MI300 chips were solid but not competitive enough, leading to a stock crash after peaking in 2024. But now, the script is flipping. AI demand has exploded so fast that even Nvidia can't keep up with production, with data centers worldwide begging for more GPUs. And that's where AMD's comeback begins. In March 2025, AMD made a power move, acquiring ZT Systems, a company that builds hyperscale server racks for the biggest cloud providers. This wasn't just another acquisition. It was AMD's key to the AI data center kingdom. By integrating ZT Systems' expertise, AMD can now deliver complete rack-scale AI solutions. These are the same kind of systems Nvidia provides to hyperscalers like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. With its upcoming MI400 chips, AMD's new hardware will rival Nvidia's Vera Rubin platform. The MI400 will match Nvidia in compute power but outperform it in memory capacity and bandwidth, featuring 432 gigabytes of HBM4 memory. For years, AMD was the budget option. Now, it's positioning itself as a true rival in the AI infrastructure race. Let's talk numbers. In Q2 2025, Nvidia posted $41.1 billion in data center revenue. AMD, just $3.2 billion. That's a massive gap, but it also means there's massive room to grow. If AMD captures even 25% of Nvidia's current demand, it could see a 300% revenue increase in its data center segment. With a market cap of just $250 billion, AMD doesn't need to beat Nvidia to make investors rich. It just needs to catch up, and right now, it's doing exactly that. Before the MI400 arrives, AMD has already launched its MI350 series, a massive leap in performance. Compared to the MI300, these chips deliver 4 times more compute power and 35 times better AI inference performance. Inference is what determines how fast an AI can think, decide, and respond. It's the real-world intelligence behind the buzzwords. Demand for these new chips is so strong that AMD raised their price from $15,000 to $25,000, a 67% increase, and customers still rushed in. That tells us everything. AMD finally has a product that the market needs, not just one that's cheaper than Nvidia's. The AI revolution is still just beginning. From ChatGPT to autonomous vehicles to smart cities, every part of modern life is about to depend on GPUs. And here's the key. Nvidia can't meet the global demand alone. That means AMD doesn't even have to fight for customers. Demand is already overflowing. By aligning with the biggest hyperscalers and delivering rack-scale systems, AMD is stepping into the biggest growth wave in computing history. Of course, no comeback is risk-free. Nvidia's CUDA software still dominates AI development, and AMD's ROCm ecosystem, while improving, isn't fully there yet. There's also the risk of supply constraints and execution challenges. AMD must deliver on performance, not just promises. But make no mistake, the company's strategy is now fully aligned with where AI demand is moving. And that gives it the best chance it's had in over a decade to truly challenge Nvidia. So here's the takeaway. AMD isn't chasing Nvidia anymore. It's building its own path, powered by stronger chips, smarter partnerships, and surging demand. From the MI350 to the MI400 and the ZT Systems acquisition, AMD's comeback isn't a dream. It's happening right now. By 2030, AMD might not just compete with Nvidia. It might actually outperform it. What do you think? Will AMD become the next AI superpower?